Here she is, guys. Here's my van. And thanks for tuning back into my channel. It's your girl Cy, and I know I have been away, but I'll tell you all about that another day. But today I am in the Campervan, and this is what it's looking like right now. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
There's nothing in there. Well, I mean, it's obviously stuff in here, but nothing in here. We pulled everything out. We're gonna go and look at some carpet so we can put new carpet in. So come along with us. So we came to the Habitat for Humanity store looking for carpet, and we found this one here. I wanted like thin carpet, not plush carpet.
How you feeling? You feeling accomplished?
I am feeling accomplished. I'm glad this carpet wasn't expensive. It was only like $30. This is the rug that we got. We're gonna go ahead and get it cut out so we can put it in the van. That's what we're doing. See, we starting over. It's coming. We almost got it. We just got to do this part in the front and the end. But yeah. So today in the van, we are going to be pulling out the front seats and taking up the carpet and replacing it like we replaced the other. And that will be all for our carpet installation. And I'll be able to start putting stuff back in. So this is the new floor and this is the old floor. New, old, new, old. So we're having a little bit of problem removing the seats because we basically this screw is being a screw. So I had to go get the right thing for it. Now we gotta look for the piece to go on the little other piece so we can remove the seat and put the carpet in. Finally found the thing to go on the other thing to get that pesky screw. Got the seat out. Got the seat out. Granddad's got the seat out. He's getting the other seat out. Let me get up before he stops trying to help because I'm sitting down. I'm just gonna pull up this nasty carpet. Put the seats back in. Well, and put the carpet in, then put the seats back in. So the option was leave the white stripe or overlap it. I want to leave the white stripe because I don't like the overlap look. So that's kind of how it looks overlapped. I just don't like it. Or that'll be how it looks. But I think I like the stripe. Now I've wiped this down and that outside. We're just fitting the carpet. So guys, it's about 4 o'clock and we have finished the carpet. And I have planned, because I'm already a day behind of what I originally had scheduled in my mind to do with the camper. So today, before sundown, I want to put the bed and stuff back in. I'm gonna show you the carpet and stuff though. It looks really good. We're all, me, my granddad, my cousin, you know, everybody who watched and saw, you know, as we were doing it, everyone said it looks really good. I like it. I think it looks really good. So I'm tired, but I want to try to get this stuff in here. I can wait till tomorrow, but kind of want to go ahead and get it done. So one less thing I have to worry about. Okay, so this is the carpet. Doesn't it look good? Granddad and I put it in. Yep, excuse all the mess and the junk and stuff. So yeah, it looks good. I'm just gonna put the bed back in and stuff. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm tired. Wish me luck though. So this is the bed frame that my dad and grandfather made that I'm walking on. Don't kill me. Okay, so this is storage under here. Of course, storage along there as well. And also in that back little area, I just wanted to kind of show you all the bed frame. And so we still have a lot of room left, guys. And that bed frame is pretty big. And so that's the mattress that I'm gonna put on there. Excuse my hands, I've been working. So, but that's the mattress that we're gonna put on. And then I'll put the cabinet back in. So that's the cabinet that I just wiped out and put back in. A little drawer is gonna go right here. I'm gonna take my microwave home and inside so I can wash it and put it back in here. I have a DVD player for the TV. I plan to get a new cover for the mattress, and yes, it is upside down. I know that. I just wanted to get it from outside inside. So maybe tomorrow I'll buy a new cover for this and put some sheets on the bed. And tomorrow also we will be doing the curtains. I have to get these charged so it can power my solar panel and everything. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much what I got going on today. I'm just gonna clean up the rest of what I am not going to be using or putting back in the van today outside, make it a little bit more neater in my parents' yard. And then I'm calling it a day. I'm tired, I'm hungry, etc. So and plus the sun's finna go down. I like to work in the sun. I don't want to try to find no flashlights to try to work. So but tonight I have to sew up my curtains the way I want them, so tomorrow my grandfather and I can install them. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.